Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair your flat tire. When you're driving, you hit the screw or other object into your tire, just something like that. You can get one repair kit from the Auto Parts Store or Walmart. It is under $10. You can do it by yourself. Here is repair kit, and now I'm going to open it. Okay, let's open it. Okay, the inside here two tools. One is like needles, and another one is like a file. It's cleaning inside the tire. Okay, and the 5 strips. Okay. I just take one strips and set to the eye of the needles, just like that. Then I use the pliers to remove the screw, then use the files to cleaning inside the hole. I'm going to remove the screws and use the pliers. Just, turn it like a counterclockwise, just like that. This screw is really long. Okay, it's coming out. The screw like that long. Okay, use the file to clean inside, just like that. And cleaning inside. Needles with the strip into the screw hole and push in just like that. When everything is in, just like that, and make the 2/3 turn it and pull out. And we just like that. Now you got it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.